Hello everybody! In this video I want to share with you a very practical function to manage your data in a dynamic way. How many times did you have to convert a vertical range of data into a horizontal one or vice versa? I'm sure you've been there several times. The go-to option to perform this task is to use Paste Special and select Transpose. However, there is another option. You can also convert a vertical range of data into a horizontal one and vice versa with the transpose function. The great plus of using transpose is that its output, like all Excel functions, is dynamic. So if you change the inputs, you'll automatically change the transpose range. Transpose has been around for a while, but it's been significantly upgraded by the introduction of dynamic arrays. As we've seen in a previous video, a dynamic array is a set of cells that depend on the formula entered in the first cell. It is called dynamic because its size depends on the formula in the first cell. Dynamic arrays are only available for Excel 365 and Excel 2021 users. If you don't have Excel 365 or Excel 2021, don't despair. Transpose still works, but in a less practical way. Follow me into the video and I'll show you how to use it. Let's take this very simple worksheet to showcase how Transpose works. In this example sheet, we have a 6x2 array with letters from A to F and numbers from 1 to 6. And I added black borders to all the cells. If you have Excel 365 or 2021, you can simply type transpose in the top left cell of the output range. Select the range and press enter. So let's do it. Let's stay here in cell E2. We write equal transpose. We complete the formula with the tab key and we select, as we said, the array we want to transpose. We close the parentheses, we press enter, and as you can see, we have our new transposed array. This array, as you can see, is a dynamic array, as it is highlighted and surrounded by blue rectangle. As for all dynamic arrays, the formula is gray in all the cells except the one where it was written initially, which is E2. If you don't have Excel 365 or 2021 and you want to use the transpose function, you first need to double check the size of your original array. In our case, 6 rows and 2 columns. Then we need to select the new set of cells in the other direction, this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can write transpose once again, tab, we select the array like we did in the first case, we close the parentheses, and now instead of just pressing enter, we press Ctrl, Shift and enter all together, which is the legacy method to enter an array formula in Excel. Once done, you see that you get the same result as above, with no blue rectangles around this time, and the formula is now in curly brackets in all the cells. As you can see, none of these options transfers the formatting like Paste Transpose does. As you can see, if we do it down here, so let's select it, Ctrl C, let's go down here and let's use the shortcut Alt H V S E, enter. Okay, and as you can see, now we also pasted the black borders. However, if we now change a cell in the vertical range, for example, we make this 11 and we press enter, you can see that with the transpose functions, both of them, both the dynamic array and the legacy one, the information has been automatically updated, while with the paste special, as we pasted simple values and we didn't use a formula, we still have 1. As a last comment, you can of course apply transpose to a transposed array, and you'll go back to the initial array. And let's do it here on the right, equal transpose tab. We select the whole array, and as you see, we have e2 hash. As a reminder, this is the way Excel uses to refer to a dynamic array. Let's close the parentheses, press enter, and we have once again our vertical range of values. And this is how transpose works. I admit I also tend to rely mainly on paste transpose and not on the transpose function, but I've been using this more and more often with dynamic arrays, and I recommend you do the same. That's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you want to stay up to date with the newest releases. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.